Good morning, guys. Just woke up and it's Saturday and it's going to be a good day. And I have my little stuffed animal here. I always sleep with stuffies, so yay! Hey, Bailey. So I am gonna go biking. It's such a beautiful day out. I mean, look at the sky. So yeah, I'm gonna go biking and I got my helmet on because safety first, even though it's not that stylish. But I don't care. So yeah, let's go. Check out my bike, guys. Isn't it so cute? I wanted like a really European, like classy type bike with the little basket and everything. So that's what I got. Fun fact, I'm like a tomboy at heart, even though I love fashion, girly stuff. So I am obsessed with the outdoors. I love being outdoors and I love like playing sports and stuff. I don't really care so much to watch sports, I don't know why, but I really like playing sports and yeah. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite like outdoor activity is in the summertime. I want to know. This guy was like looking at me weird. Probably because I'm vlogging outside and on a on a bike, and there's not a lot of vloggers where I live. I'm pooped. There's a really big hill. I'm gonna take a break. Yeah. Just sitting at this little park. It's just so nice to be outside and just enjoy life. Not have anything major to do today, or I don't know. Sometimes it's just nice to just go slow and not to do anything too, I don't know, pressured or too like go go go. We live in the city here where it's just go 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 and it can get really stressful. So sometimes it's just nice to do like just little simple things like riding the bike or going to get an ice cream cone. So I'm really enjoying that. We have a really nice like little lake by our house. It's man-made, but it's still pretty. Hi! What are you selling? Ooh, can I have? How much is it?
50 cents.
Okay, I'll give you guys $1 though. A little tip. Here you go. Thank you. Bye. Nice. Oh, they have my favorite vanilla Coke, but I don't drink pop anymore. This sucks. The temptation is real. We just got some crab, king crab, from the store, and now we're gonna make it at home. I'm so excited to eat it. I have been craving seafood all day. I don't really know why, but maybe because it's hot out. So yeah, we're gonna make some crab, right? Yeah. So we're just gonna finish our evening by watching a movie. We're watching, what's it called? Leap Year? It's a really good movie. But yeah, thanks so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed watching kind of what we're up to on the weekends. But yeah, please give it a big like if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!